For years, Meta operated as the outlier in the AI industry. While its rivals guarded their technology, Meta distributed its Llama models to the public, effectively providing a free foundational layer for the global developer community. This strategy forced OpenAI and Google to compete with a free, high-performance alternative, putting immense downward pressure on the cost of AI access. That era closed on April 8, 2026. Meta launched Muse Spark, a model built behind closed doors, with its code kept strictly private. Mark Zuckerberg allocated roughly $72 billion to AI development in 2025 alone to force this transition. To lead this new direction, Meta spent over $14 billion to acquire a stake in Scale AI and secure Alexander Wang to head the Meta Superintelligence Labs. Wang's team spent 9 months building Muse Spark as a proprietary system, departing from the open-weight philosophy that defined the Llama series. By locking this ecosystem, Meta has transformed from an open-source benefactor into an aggressive, direct competitor seeking total control over its intellectual property. Meta engineered this model specifically for practical, everyday utility. To compete at the frontier, they had to prove a closed-source model could offer capabilities that open-source tools simply couldn't match. Muse Spark is natively multimodal. It performs exceptionally well on healthcare queries and visual reasoning, having been trained alongside more than 1,000 physicians to accurately interpret images and nutritional data. Its primary technical innovation is a feature called contemplating mode, designed to match the deep reasoning power of rivals like Gemini DeepThink. Look at how traditional frontier AI handles a complex request. It operates sequentially, traveling a single linear path to reach an answer. Muse Spark fractures that task. It orchestrates multiple AI sub-agents to reason in parallel, solving different parts of a problem simultaneously. This parallel architecture is purpose-built to navigate the multi-layered, messy logistics of a human being's daily life. This technology serves a specific philosophy. Meta is actively rejecting the goal of building a centralized, godlike entity that functions as a general utility. Zuckerberg calls his target personal superintelligence. It acts as a tireless team of human experts dedicated entirely to your specific needs. Consider the complexity of moving to a new city on a tight budget. One agent scrapes real estate listings and emails landlords for virtual tours. Simultaneously, another compares moving company quotes and automatically books the cheapest option. The AI eventually presents you with a completed, coordinated itinerary that requires only a single tap to approve. Meta defines superintelligence through utility. It succeeds when it achieves the absolute frictionless delegation of a user's daily cognitive labor. Muse Spark's strategic power comes from Meta's massive distribution network. Most AI assistants require users to intentionally download a new app or pay for a standalone subscription, creating a significant barrier to entry. Meta removes that barrier by embedding Muse Spark directly into the native feeds of 3.5 billion users across WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. This distribution reaches into the physical world. By integrating the model into Ray-Ban smart glasses, Meta turns the user's field of vision into a direct data stream for the AI. This creates a segmented market. While OpenAI and Anthropic dominate enterprise software engineering and corporate B2B sectors, Meta is claiming the personal sphere. Google is the primary target of this play. As users turn to Instagram for visual shopping and travel planning, they bypass traditional search engines, eroding Google's core query volume and ad revenue. The AI arms race is now a war over integration. Success is measured by who can most seamlessly weave their agents into the specific habits and routines of billions of people. If you found this deep dive valuable, please hit that like button, share it, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more science behind the AI headlines.